This video will walk you through changing assignment due dates in bulk rather than going into each assignment and doing so individually. Using this feature could be useful at the beginning of a semester to set all due dates, or if something gets delayed and several assignments need to be updated. First, scroll to Course Administration. Click on the Reports drop-down menu and choose Dates. This will take you to a condensed version of your course. You can leave the activity type displayed to All Activities, or you can choose a specific one, like forums or quizzes. If I choose quizzes, all of my quiz assignments and their due dates will be listed. I can then change every due date on this page instead of clicking individually into each one on the main page. Once I have set them all to whatever I want them to be, I will click Save Changes and my updates will be applied to the course. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to the Office of Online and Distance Learning.